Siamo pazientato per 40 anni! Ora basta!
ይህንን የታሪክ ገጽ በሲኔማ ለመተረክ ከጀመርኩበት ወቅት ጀምሮ የቀኝ ግዛት ግፍ ተበዳዮች ለሆነው አፍሪካውያን ግን እነዚህን ተንቀሳቃሽ የፊልም መዝገቦች የመጠቀም መብት በፍጹም የለንም።
So the war starts. And the warriors with their rifles and their swords.
This was no ordinary defeat.
The Duce shall have Ethiopia.
A decadent Italian society were defeated.
He would fight to the last drop of his blood.
በ1928 ዓመት የሚያስታውሱበት ዋዜማ ያሉባልታ ተረት ሆኖ አገኘሁት። ብቅልም እያለ ውስጣዊ መንፈሴን የሚያጽናናኝ ነገር ቢኖር አያቴ የጣሊያንን የወረራ እልቂተ ግፍ ባስታወሰች ቁጥር የወጋ ቢረሳ የተወጋ አይረሳም እያለች
never hear about a real victory where Africa is concerned, right? But I got a sense of pride when I learned that Ethiopia is the only country that was not colonized by the Europeans.
The film Black Lions, Roman Wolves is about the second Italian invasion into Ethiopia in 1935. So this was 40 years after they were defeated in Adwa in 1896, and the children were coming to avenge the losses of their fathers.
Siamo pazientato per 40 anni! Ora basta!
አምስት ክፍል ያለው የ10 ሰዓት ዘጋቢ ፊልም ነው። ምን ያህል ተከፈለበት ወይ ምን ያህል ነው የሚሰራው ጋሻ ሊዛ ፊልም ላይ ብለሽ ከጠየቅሽኝ ሁሌ ሳይው እየሰራ ነው ጋሻይ። ይሄ ፊልም ከ25 ዓመት በላይ ወይም ወደ 30 ዓመት ቢጠጋ ያህል ጊዜ ሲሰራ ነበር። መስራት ሲባል ያቁጭሉ ኮምፒውተር ላይ ኤዲት ላይ ማድረጉን ብቻ ሳይሆን የሚያናገራቸውን ታሪኮችን የሚናገሩ ሰዎችን ማግኘት
because it's a compilation of footage that he filmed himself, footage that he had to source from archives and put it together. You're going to see a lot of unseen footage. I mean, you may have heard someone speak on it, you may have read a book on it, but to actually see the warriors, to actually hear the war chants, to actually see, you know, the atrocities.